Hello guys. Hmm. Welcome back to my English learning session. Today's session is very important. Today we are going to learn how to talk about our culture and tradition in English. Hmm. When we meet someone new, they often ask questions. Where are you from? What is special about your culture? So today we will learn how to talk about our culture and tradition in English. When we talk about our culture and tradition, we can focus some point. Place, state, food, festival, lifestyle, languages, and people nature. So first, let me share my culture and tradition that will help you to understand how to talk. West Bengal, and my district, my hometown is Purulia. It is located nearby Jharkhand border. If I talk about the food, favorite food of West Bengal, people mostly prefer fish curry and rice in lunch, and they also love sweets. And if I talk festival, Mansa Puja is quite famous in my area, and Durga Puja is also favorite festival of West Bengal. So they spend a lot of money, lot of energy, lot of times to celebrate festival with their family. So that things are special, and life is quite affordable here. So moderate income people can spend better life. That is also special about this place, and they choose music as a career, so that things really special. And one thing that is really special, that is the women enjoy more freedom. They can take decisions. And language. So West Bengal's people speak Bengali, and Kurmu language is also, some community speak Kurmu language as well. And people are really very loving, supportive. So all those things in special in our West Bengal. And I belong to Jharkhand as well. So Jharkhand is a border to West Bengal, so some cultures are similar, and some differences we also find. Food style is quite similar. They also enjoy their festival in a grand way, and quite easy. And life is quite expensive here, but people have good opportunity to earn more money. That is also special. So now it's your turn. You share your culture and tradition in English. Hmm. And now I am going to share a real situation. And now I am going to share a conversation video with teachers. Explained my culture and tradition. So that video help you to understand the situation.
Good evening.
Good evening, Sulochana. I'm Aankita and we're meeting for the first time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'm basically from Gujarat.
Okay.
How about you?
Yes, ma'am. Right now I am connecting. My name is Sulochana. Right now I am connecting with you from West
Correct.
Bengal.
Oh,
I was, but I was born and brought up in Ranchi, Jharkhand.
we are very close. I'm from Jamshedpur.
Okay, so right now you are from Jamshedpur. Okay. Hmm.
Basically, I'm from Jamshedpur, but right now I'm in Gujarat
Okay.
and
Hmm.
I am Bengali. So I'm
Okay.
sure you're being in West Bengal, you also can speak Bengali very well. You're understanding very well.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so nice, so nice. This platform actually brings across people from different places and we connect.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Hmm.
tell me how was your day?
Today my day was great.
Okay,
Yes, since morning to evening, I utilize my time in a better way, and I enjoy also. I went for a walk in the evening.
okay,
Morning time, I had practice some grammar lesson,
okay,
and evening I practice some session questions. Hmm.
okay,
So it's almost it's good actually.
okay, great. So you're having a good time.
Yes.
Okay, so in the evening you had some practice sessions.
Yes.
Okay, and morning also you did revise something,
Yes. Some grammar topics. Yes.
some grammar
Mm.
topics. Very nice. Today, the topic is cultural shock.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you read about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me something about what is a cultural shock? Did you ever get a cultural shock?
Yes, ma'am. I think cultural shock means the place somewhere we are not comfortable. Feel like
Right.
people are mm, thinking different.
Okay.
Hmm. So. Hmm.
What cultural shock did you ever get?
I haven't. I hadn't get actually, but I heard. I
Okay.
heard.
What did you hear?
I heard. Like in South place, people do not prefer to talk in Hindi, so people are comfort. Sometimes feel like uncomfortable, and somewhere. Like regional issue,
Okay.
people, regional issue, people thought that he is not from this place, so he is different from us. So discrimination we can say
Okay.
sometimes people have to face.
Okay. So how long are you here in West Bengal? Where in West
West,
Bengal are you?
it's Purulia district.
Acha. Okay, you are in Purulia and you have been in Ranchi, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the difference between staying in Ranchi and Purulia? How long were you in Ranchi?
Rachi, before marriage life, I
Okay.
had
You
spent
were there.
I was there, and after marriage, I have been in Purulia.
I
Hmm.
am in Purulia.
Yes,
Since marriage, since my marriage, I am in Purulia. That means you are here for a long time.
yes, ma'am. Hmm.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
I was born and brought up in Ranchi, right? So what
Yes.
is the difference in these two places?
Different.
What are the similar things among the people that you have seen? These are the differences. What are the two things which are similar among these places?
Okay, similar.
Yes.
Hmm. Many celebration of festivals are similar.
Okay.
I find same method they are
Okay.
celebrating festival and and food style somewhere similar. Their
Food
food is
style. Okay. Okay.
mm,
Okay.
food
Their
style is
cuisine.
similar.
It is not food style, maybe their cuisine is very similar because they are
Mm,
neighboring states. Cuisine.
okay,
Cuisine.
okay.
Cuisine. Cuisine.
SIN. Okay.
Right. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Now, while you are talking, one thing I understand is SH words, S words and SH words. It is
Hmm.
not festival like SH. How would you say festivals?
Festival.
Yes, it is not festivals.
Hmm.
SH, it is only S. So when
Hmm.
the word is S, it is sir.
Hmm.
Hindi sir. SH words are sh.
Yes.
Sh. So
Hmm.
FISH is fish,
Fish. Hmm.
right? And
Hmm.
festivals. So when you
Festi-
are, this is something you, every time you read and write, keep it in your mind. So
Yes, ma'am.
it will take some time, but you can work on it. This is very common. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, have you ever felt that you don't belong to Purulia?
At first time when I was in here, that time people say it's my in-law place also. Your tone is different, talking style is different. Mm, but now I am adjust everything.
Yes, surely. Of course, it happens. It's happened to more. I think it happens to most of the girls because they move from one place, they relocate after their marriage. They do relocate, and then slowly. That's why I said I am in Gujarat. So I'm here for the past 25 years now. So basically, this is my place now, though
Hmm.
I have been born and brought up in some other area or in Jamshedpur, but though that I have a very soft corner for Jamshedpur, but basically I belong here now. Right? It
Hmm.
happens to most of the girls. Okay. So, do you feel people must leave their comfort zone at least once in their lives?
Yes, ma'am. I feel.
Okay. Okay.
Because
Why do you say so?
because if we want to, if we have some space, some specific goal, that time we have to need to step out of our comfort zone. If we want to do some things for others
Hmm.
and to making our career, doing
Okay.
something meaningful, that time it's need.
Exactly. Exactly.
Mm.
So when you, it is, you just said we have to need to step out. We don't have to need. We need to step out to make
Okay.
to grow for
Hmm.
your for your career growth for anything. So you
And,
need to step out.
hmm.
You
We
need. You
need to.
don't have to need. Okay. So you need
Hmm.
to step out.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, Okay. Where would you like to settle if you were given an opportunity?
In India, okay,
In India, anywhere. World
okay.
has become a very small place.
Yes, yes. But I would like to stay in my country. Mm.
Okay.
Hmm. Maybe it first choice Goa and
Goa.
Goa and south place also I like
Okay.
Hyderabad, Bangalore. So,
Okay. Have you
hmm.
been to any of these places earlier?
Yes, Goa I have visited. Hmm.
Okay. What
Goa.
was your experience?
Really it's was a good experience because
Okay.
Goa the place is I feel like it is very close to nature, very
Wow.
peace place, very
Okay.
peaceful, calm, no
Very
crowded.
peaceful. Very
Very
peaceful. Describe it. Peaceful.
peaceful.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay.
Not much crowded there, and some
Okay.
traffic rules are strict rule, people follow it. So really it's a beautiful city.
Okay. And any other places you have been to?
Bombay. Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
Bombay is
And
not peaceful at all.
compared to Goa, it's crowded more.
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm. And
Of course.
Vaishnav
Yes.
Devi,
Right.
and Haridwar, Vaishnav
Oh,
Devi.
beautiful. Beautiful.
Hmm.
Yes.
I have visited.
Good. And
Hmm.
which out of them Goa has been the best?
Yes.
Goa has been the best. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
Sure, if nature attracts you, you must be loving gardens.
Yes, I love
You love
gardening.
gardens. So, do you do a little bit of gardening?
Yes, little bit. I have garden. Little bit
Okay.
is more.
So
Hmm.
you spend your time doing a little bit of gardening.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
do you, how do you look after your plants?
Um, Monthly, one and two times, I change the soil and
Okay.
put in some compost
Right.
in it because it
Mm-hmm.
needs because area is so small. Pot
Okay.
actually plants are in the pot, so it needs
Okay.
to care so much care.
Okay.
Hmm.
Right.
So that's why
How many pots do you have?
12, 15
Okay.
pots.
Around 12 or 15. Oh,
Yes.
great. Great.
Hmm.
You must be enjoying your time there, right?
Yes, yes. Hmm. I sit near them and sometimes take tea and
Okay.
enjoy nature also because it's open place. I
Yes.
keep it. So
Yes.
that's
Great. Okay.
okay. Okay.
Fine. I hope we had a good session and I was able to clear some of your doubts.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Thank you so much. I hope we
Thank
meet
you.
soon. Okay.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.